Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Curiosity Box, and in this video I have an ASOS haul. Now this particular one is, I was telling you about, I needed an outfit for a family wedding, big family occasion, and this will be the first time I've attended the wedding sort of not masking, so I'm really nervous because it involves making sure I've got all my sensory needs met, and also I'm wearing my sort of gender fluid outfit, as in not going in a big fluffy dress like being conforming to the rest of the family. So this is the outfit that I picked. So I did a collage first to show what it would look like. Now the shoes haven't arrived. Well, they did say they were going to arrive on Friday, but they didn't. So, but they're pastel blue Converse, and then this is the outfit. So I'm going to put this outfit on, and I'll do a bit of modelling, and hopefully the lighting's better. And I'm trying to speak louder, but volume for me is difficult. So if it's still not loud enough, then I'm sorry, wear your headphones. So let's get opening this parcel and see what I look like. Yay. So this is my wedding outfit. I am so happy. Now I'll show you the trousers in a minute. Now I also, to go with this shirt which has crowns on, and this jumper is, it's different than what it looked like on the website. On the website it looked like it was a sort of a light soft knit, but it's a proper sweater. So let me tell you what I am wearing in the fashion show. I'm wearing ASOS Design soft shirt in crown print UK 14, Maison Scotch Star Moon print sweatshirt in extra large, Brave Soul flared trousers with side stripe in red medium, ASOS Design collar tips in gold tone with crown, no size. So these are the collar tips. These do it in the men's section, but they've got crowns on, so it's just like the shirt. And I don't want to put them on yet because obviously they're pins, so you have to make a hole in the collar to put them on. But if I couldn't manoeuvre my hands in the correct way, that's what it looks like. So yo, because our family, there's people older than me, and then I'm sort of here, and then there's like other people, and then there's really trendy people, and I'm really nervous because I was thinking the friends of the trendy people, they might not like me and might think I'm weird. But let me show you the trousers. I love them. Look, I've got trousers like Prince Harry. I look like Prince Harry. Because when Prince Harry got married, I thought, oh my god, I love his outfit. I totally want to wear his outfit. Because he looked the biz. He looked the shiz. And I look the biz. And dancing as I go in this. And these are elastic trousers. elasticated trousers because I find trousers with fastenings really uncomfortable and really sensory overwhelming, and this gives me room for cake. So I look cool, I look the shiz, and I'm going to have a sparkly, well, I was thinking I was going to have a sparkly red bow, but there is a chance that there'll be a disco and it might be loud, and I realised the other day that my head ear defenders will match my trousers. Look. So this ASOS haul is thumbs up as what I'm wearing to the wedding. So we'll air out this jumper because when I unwrap this jumper it smells funny chemically, but we'll air out the outfit. I look amazing, and then with my collar clips, and then I've already got a red coat that has been hanging in my wardrobe since last year, where it's amazing. So yeah. So I hope you have enjoyed this fashion show, and thank you for watching. And if you're going to the wedding, don't copy me. And hi, and I'm really awkward, but I like dancing. So yeah. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Yay!